We have a 1986 F250 with a 6.9 diesel. We're going to go through the steps in order to replace the mechanical fuel pump. One of the first things you want to do before beginning the repair is disconnect the negative battery cables. In order to gain access to the fuel pump, we'll remove the vacuum pump from the engine and set it up out of the way. The vacuum pump is located under the alternator on the passenger side of the vehicle. Disconnect the outlet line using a line wrench. Be sure and capture any fuel into a safe container. Disconnect the inlet line. Remove the attaching bolts. And remove pump from the block. It's very important to clean the old gasket from the block surface. The way that a mechanical fuel pump functions is the arm follows the cam lobe. Some pumps that you take off your vehicle may have a completely different designed arm on them, but because this arm is straight and designed specifically for this vehicle, it will work in direct replacement. For ease of installation, we'll use some adhesive to attach the gasket to the fuel pump. When you install the fuel pump into the block, make sure that the arm of the pump goes under the cam lobe. One issue we see on the older 6.973 diesels is poor performance on the pump due to the cam lobe physically wearing down. If you do have an engine with worn cam lobe, the only solution is to replace the cam, or you can use a universal inline electric pump to supply fuel to the engine. You may feel some resistance against the pump installation. This is due to the arm touching the cam lobe. You will have to overcome the spring pressure in order to install the mounting bolts properly. Install the inlet hose onto the pump, making sure to maintain the loop between the pump and the steel line. Install the outlet line, making sure to use a backup wrench and a line wrench. With the fuel pump installation complete, we'll now install the vacuum pump. Reconnect the negative battery cables. Because we've had the fuel system open, we've lost prime in the system. This may require extended crank time. Also, you can remove the fuel filter and fill it with diesel fuel to help in priming the system. Once the vehicle starts, be sure and run it for 10 to 15 minutes to allow all air to purge out of the system.